Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Mint X1 app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it up and create your new account. You will need to provide an email address and set a secure password. After that, link your financial accounts, like bank accounts and credit cards, to get started. This process is secure and typically takes less than 5 minutes. Now, let's dive into budgeting and tracking your spending. The Mint X1 app allows you to create custom budgets for different categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and utilities. It automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear overview of where your money goes. You can also set up helpful alerts to notify you of large purchases or when bills are due, helping you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. Next, let's explore setting financial goals and gaining valuable insights. The Mint X1 app helps you define specific financial goals, such as saving for a new car or a down payment on a home. You can track your progress in real time, seeing how close you are to achieving each objective. The app also provides personalized insights, highlighting trends in your spending and offering suggestions to improve your financial health. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and helpful tips. The Mint X1 app offers investment tracking, allowing you to monitor your portfolio's performance alongside your other finances. You can also export your financial data for more in-depth analysis if you wish. Remember to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as your financial situation evolves. This ensures your budget remains effective and supports your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.